What is up, everybody? New video today. What do we got? This is a 2022 Toyota 4Runner. This car is a little unique. This video might actually be maybe a pro NASTIF video. Why? Because I tried everything to download immo data. This is a seed code car, so in code, out code. Of course, we have a couple different options, but tried reading immo data, the certification ECU, whatever you want to call it, smart key box, whatever, is behind the glove box. I can plug into it. I tried via OBD. I tried X-Horse even makes a special adapter for this style plug. It's a little bit different than the certainly different than the 30 pins that you guys have seen me doing, like the Sienna and the Venza. It's also different from the RAV4 style, which is the older style. There was also an adapter for that, but very quickly everybody started doing those cars over OBD, reading immo data through OBD, which is super easy, super cool, which means you don't need that adapter. This car, I don't think there's, certainly I might be doing something wrong. There might be something out there that I'm unaware of, but I've been unsuccessful getting the immo data in order to avoid the whole seed code thing. Why do I want to avoid the seed code thing? It's not about the money. I want to be as self-sufficient as possible, right? It's 7:30 in the morning here, 7:36. Bob Keel, great guy, like super helpful. I'm a little bit too early for him. This is a time zone issue. Amir Hassan, I've used him. I don't even know what time zone he's on, but what's the point? I want to be self-sufficient. Let's see here. I'm going to keep doing this while I talk. Couple interesting things from the AutoProPAD people / X tool. They do have the AnyToy SC1, I think it is. I have it. I don't have time this morning to play around with it. I'm actually at a customer's location, so I'd love to play around with it, but I don't have time. I believe that that's what that option is for. Now, while I don't have an OEM, literal OEM key, I have like a look-alike, so I'm going to consider that an OEM key. Let's first do number of keys just to see if we're communicating. We'll go add smart key. We do have an original key. It's going to make me enter the VIN. I'll be right back. So we're back. I entered the VIN. It is correct. So this is interesting, right? If we were to go to the AutoKey Pro's website and try to buy this, these, quote unquote 50 points, they're not for sale. So I assume that this part of this program just isn't like quite ready for prime time. But why did I say earlier that this might be a pro NASTIF video? Because the AutoProPAD guys came out with the GM software that for the new CAN FD cars. They sold tokens, and then immediately those tokens were basically useless because the system didn't work. What I did was used one of my, this is what I did the other day, used one of my tokens on a Toyota, and it worked. So this might be like a sneak preview of what the Lock Lab guys have coming. This is my code. I'm going to enter it in, and then I'll be right back. So that was me entering the number. Hopefully it's going to do what it did the other day. I assume it's reaching out for that in code, out code. And the nice thing about this is, again, it worked yesterday. It does all of this kind of behind the scenes, right? So I'm not trying to copy and make sure I write down those lines of code. So I think it might have worked. Programmed key. We're certainly in programming. New key. 2 beeps. That's good. Now I think it's just going to time out here because it says 40 seconds. In case you were wondering, happy to say that the 3 button, even though this just lists a RAV4, if you go to Best's website, they also list it for these Forerunners. I'm going to pause this just so you don't have to wait through it. I'll be right back. That was only an additional, I don't know, 10 or so seconds. So we'll shut the ignition off, open and close the door. New key. That's not unusual that it takes a couple of tries to kind of sync up. Customer's key. New key one more time. So that's it. Great job from the AutoProPAD, Lock Laps, X-Tool, whoever it is that's doing this. I'm hoping that the service goes live and we're one step closer to being self-sufficient. Of course, the other option here, I was looking this morning, you're looking at $1,300 for a year of tech stream that includes TIS that will allow you to do this. Of course, you need NASTIF for that. So yeah, other cars that are like this, I'm going to start trying to keep track of cars that are like this. I did an LS 500, 2021-ish Lexus LS 500. Couldn't download immo data. Had to do the had to use Bob Keel for that one. These Forerunners are much more popular. We see them all the time, and I'll keep track of other cars as we see them. 2022 Toyota 4Runner, Prox. That's it. Thanks for watching.